Can't remember which email you used to sign up for Facebook? I'm Emily from Online Help Guide, and in this tutorial, I'll walk you through the steps to find email address on Facebook. Let's get started. First, open Facebook. Tap on the hamburger icon at the top right. Go to Settings. Tap on Account Center. Scroll down. Go to Personal Details. Here, you can find your personal details, including your email that you used to sign up. Thank you for watching Online Help Guide. Hope this video was helpful. If it was, then hit the like button and comment down if you have any questions or feedback. Also, if you're new to our channel, subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you don't miss our upcoming videos.